Okay, let's talk about valid palindrome. So you are given string s and you are determined the string is palindrome or not, and only consider the alphanumeric characters. So for example, 1, and the idea is using the 2 pointer, 1 point at the beginning, the other 1 point at the end, and if they are the same, and you just moving the distance by 1, right? So the uppercase a and lowercase a, which I convert to lowercase a, and then I move my pointer if they are the same, right? If they are not the same, I return false right away. So for example, I is the index I, which is a space, right? So if there is a character which is not alphanumeric, I keep increasing, and that's the idea. And the constraint is I less than j and only alphanumeric, right? So I have a helper function which is determine the character is between the lowercase a or lowercase a to lowercase z, or uppercase a to uppercase z, or 0 to 9. And this is a helper function, and then I just have to convert my string to a char array, and there's definitely 2 pointer for sure, right? And I less than j, so I need to keep checking if my character at index I is alphanumeric, and also I less than j for sure, right? So I keep increment if the character is not alphanumeric, and also the j. So j is decrement, right? You are starting from the end, right? So you're going to check if my left char and right char are the same. If they are not the same, you return false. If they are the same, you increment I, you decrement j, and you return true at the end. So that's the idea. Okay, let's just run the code. And cool. Okay, let's talk about time and space. So for the space, I actually need all the fun space, because that's how I initialize the character array, right? So all of n for sure, space complexity. How about the time? So for example, the time, even though you are starting from the beginning and at the end, I mean the time is a -2, because you are moving every single index by 1, right? You're moving closer to each other by index 1, right? I mean by 1 distance. So it's all of n divided by 2, but we don't care about constant, so it's all of n, right? And that would be your solution for time complexity. And the character to lowercase, you know, just converted, so it's not a big deal in a time complexity. So space and time is all of n, and that would be the solution. And if you like the video, please like the video, and also like the question is pretty standard. And good luck.